In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add subtitles on your videos in Shotcut. My name is Isaac and this is a minute with AI. So to get started, first you want to create a track for your subtitles. So I'll go ahead and create another video track. I have V1 track, that is video 1 track. Just go ahead and add another track, and to do so, just right click on an empty space on top here, and then under track operations, select add video track. So this will go ahead and add another video track. So let me push this up here. Great. So that we can begin. So we want to go ahead and add our subtitles on this track 2. And as you can see, it is here V2. Once you're done, it's time to go ahead and add our subtitles here. So to do so, just come on top here under open other and then tap on it. And then we have an option called text. Go ahead and tap on it. So if you tap on text, you see we have an option, a text box here. Come under presets and then click on it, then click on transparent. That will make the background of our subtitles to be transparent. Now it's time to go ahead and begin writing your text that you want to add on your video clip. So I'll go ahead and write, welcome to my meditation class. So I've added welcome to my meditation class, and I have to go ahead and choose the type of text, whether you want just simple text or text rich. So I like text rich because it gives me much control. I'll leave it at text rich. Once you're done, go ahead and tap on add to timeline, and this will go and add this straight to our timeline. So I'll tap on add to timeline, and look at that, our subtitles have been added, and it is from here. Now you can go ahead and resize this and move it wherever you want. So if you want it to cover the whole of this track, you can just drag it from the end here and it will cover the whole of this. And if you try play it, you can see it is going to cover the whole of that. Alternatively, if you have other subtitles that you want to add, it is pretty simple. Just go ahead and click on this subtitle and then copy it by tapping on Ctrl+C on your keyboard, and then come to a place where you want to paste it and then tap on Ctrl+V. If you want to move it, you can still move it there. And then if you tap on it, now you have an option to edit it. So I can edit it straight from here and write sign up today. And the writings are pretty small, so I'll go ahead and increase the font size. So to copy this, just go ahead and click on the subtitle and then Ctrl+C on your keyboard, and then identify where you want to paste it, and then paste it by just pressing on Ctrl+V, and this will go ahead and paste it here. And as you can see, here it is. If you click in this box, you can see now you can edit this. So let me edit it to suit my need. We are open, just sign up. Great. So you can see now, if I play the whole of it, the message is clear. The subtitles have been added. Great. So you can adjust these and move them or prolong them as you wish. You can go ahead and even drag this to the whole of your timeline, and it should be perfectly well. If you want to resize this, you can go ahead and resize it by increasing the font or reducing the font. You can also go ahead and change the text color to any color that you so wish when you choose on this. And you can see, if I press on OK, if you selected only one word, it will be applied. So that's how it's done. Now, if you also want to move this, maybe you want these writings to be on top here, you can as well move it when you just use this dot here. And that is it. So that's how you add subtitles to your videos in Shotcut. If this video is helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.